So guys, this will be our movement for the day on our gold. Now let's see what gold will be for the day. First thing first, make sure you subscribe to the channel if you are yet to subscribe, like and share, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section. Now let's start with our trend on gold. You can clearly see on our gold right here, we are what? In an uptrend move. Market is clearly what? Trending to the upside. This is very much bullish. So market is very much bullish. As you can see, a series of higher and higher low. That is exactly what market is. Now guys, take a look at it right here. Market push up right here, which formed an high. Now here comes the higher low, right? Market will then eventually push up again to form new higher high. Now here comes the higher low, right? Market eventually push up one more time again to form a new higher high, and here comes the higher low. Market then give us one more bullish move that formed a new higher high, and this is our higher low, which is an equal higher low by the way. So guys, I want you to have it in mind that this is an equal higher low. So with this movement, we should be expecting market to continue to push up. It is able to take out this high, thereby forming a new higher. So this is to tell you that a bullish move is what we are expecting. Now guys, let's go down to our power time frame right here. Right here. So let's see, we've gotten a multiple rejection at this zone right here. So now market eventually gave us a double bottom, which I talked about yesterday. I did this analysis yesterday and I talked about it, whereby market drop, push up, drop again, and then push up, eventually forming a double bottom, which eventually broke above our neckline. Market was able to give us a pullback and then it gave us some more push up. Now this is a pullback the market has given us, and our next movement on gold is what? Push up. So this is to tell you that we will also be anticipating for a bullish move for the day on gold. Now if in case there will be changes to this prediction, I'll make sure I let you guys know that that's the update. So in order for you not to miss out on the updates, make sure you subscribe and follow the Telegram. You'll find the link to the Telegram in the comment section.